Hello, and welcome to LaserBites and Video Syncs of Inkscape, laser engraving, and cutting. So I'm going to show you a neat little trick on how to make rounded corners on your box. So let's go ahead and create a box. Click your left-hand mouse button, come over here, and make your box any size you want. Good enough. Now, I want to make those corners rounded. There's a really easy way to do this. Go ahead and click on your Select Object button. Click on your object and click on the line right here and double click it again. Okay, until you get these three squares. If you go to any one of these squares, hold down your left mouse button and drag down, you can control how round you want the corners. Pretty easy, huh? Let's go ahead and let's center that. We are perfectly centered. Let's go ahead and add a neck to this. And you can actually do the same thing. Hold it down, bring it back. Left shift, centered on the main body. And I'm going to unionize these things. Once again. Again, these videos are not meant to be all-encompassing, but they're to just help you get started with laser engraving so that you can prepare a file at home where you are and upload it to us, and we can laser cut it out, and that will reduce or get rid of setup charges altogether. So now we have this great looking object. Now, one of the other things that you can do here is you can, let's say I want to split this. So for instance, if I go ahead and click on this object a few times and I hold down my left mouse button, I can drag and I can make some interesting shapes. Look at that. Great. But let's say I want to add a point. I can do that too. Go ahead on any part of your line, double click on it, and voila, you've got another point to design from. You can use these right here to change the shape. Now what did I do there? I hit Control Z, and that means undo, so I can go back a few steps. So one of the other things I want to show you is you can actually break this apart. So if I click on this and hit Shift B for break, now I hold down my left mouse button and I've actually separated it from the group. Now once it's separated, you can't fill. You cannot fill this object with a color. And again, I can do it on this side too. I'll double click on it. I've added a point. And I can also hit Shift B for break, and I can move it around. Now if you hit, let's see, there we go. Again, very basics. This is just a funky thing we're drawing here, and those are really the basics of designing an object. Well, that was a very short video, and we are going to go on to our next video. We're going to do some more fun things. Thanks again.